You're watching Mojo Dojo Casa Compadres. 73, 75, 76.
Hey, Toddler.
78. What's up?
I'm having a game night if you want to join.
Game night? More like lame night. I'm in it to win it.
Sorry, dude, but I gotta get ready for the jumping competition tomorrow. It's a no for me.
I was just trying to make new friends. He didn't want to play a game with me, but we'll be playing a game later. Hey, Toddler.
What's up?
I heard you're making breakfast this morning. Can I have some?
I'm not making breakfast for John. He's not even in my inner circle. I need to form alliances, and sadly, John, you're not in it.
Unfortunately, I'm already cooking for Brad and Jeremy. If you want some, you can cook it yourself.
That Toddler guy's really starting to get on my nerves.
I'd rather eat my own body than make breakfast for John.
Watch the protection first and foremost. Four-man rush. Timing.
Hello? Oh. Holy shit! Where am I?
Hello, Toddler. I'd like to play a game.
Who are you?
You know who I am.
John?
You didn't want to join my game night. Now you must play a game with my rules.
Get me the fuck out of here!
There is a game of sorry on the floor. You have 1 minute to play me an opening move. If you fail to do so, there is a .50 caliber sniper rifle pointed at your head and a pipe bomb right to your penis. Live or die, Toddler. Your 60 seconds starts now.
Hey man, you trying to order some Domino's?
What the